All right, so now we've set our rivet, and the next step, and we're gonna talk about through this video, is extracting a rivet. Let's say you have a bedside work come in and you need to take the existing rivets out of the bed. We have dies that can do that. So we've set the rivet, you can see here, we've got a 3mm rivet set, and obviously the dimple formation of where it formed on itself. We're gonna go ahead and install the extraction dies. Now there are two extraction dies, two sets that are included with the tool. We have A1 and N1 over here, and we have A2 and N2. Now, one profile on and hole is a little bit bigger. The A1 and N1 are designed for the 3mm rivets. The A2 and N2 are designed for the 5mm rivets. Personal preference, if you want, you could use the A2 and N2 for both applications. Obviously, you're gonna give yourself a little bit more clearance and a little beefier post on the male part of the extraction die. It's really important that these extraction dies, you take your time, because these posts can break, and they will break off with a lot of force if you go too fast and don't get to the center of that rivet. You're gonna have a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and extract a rivet. So we'll set that up. We'll go ahead and snug these again. These set screws are designed to snug them up, especially in this application. Go ahead and flip that around. There are two set screws on this extension. We want to make sure that we're tightening both. We'll set up our receiving die here. Okay, we're snugged up. We talked about the dimple formation. If there's any way to get to the middle of that, we want to try to do that. So you're not going to be in a situation like this where we're demonstrating and have complete access, but just understand, just trying to show you how this thing is operating in the best case scenario. So the nice part about this tool is, again, if I just kind of feather the trigger, I can get it where I want and kind of position it exactly where I want to. 4 tons and 9 tons of pressure, but what we're trying to do optimally is line this male die up with the center of where that rivet formed. So we'll go ahead, kind of get it exactly where we want it. And we're gonna go ahead and apply some pressure. Okay, so we got the rivet out. And once we've extracted the rivet, we don't have to full send and full cycle this thing all the way till it'll self-retract. We can go ahead and retract it on our own. Once the rivet's out, it's out. So you can see it popped out of this little exit spot, and this is the rivet that we set, and now we've got, no rivet in the panels.